Hello class, we will continue with our SQL commands. Today I will tell you a particular thing called join. Join is a clause, okay? Like with the select command earlier, if you remember in class 11, you have used order by, okay? Order by is a clause which is used in connection with select command to get a ordered display, descending order, ascending order. You have done this in class 11. So similarly, we will make use of a clause called join. I already made two tables to explain you the things. First of all, what is a join? Join is nothing but a kind of query which we obtain by combining two tables or more than two tables. Okay. And what happens when we join the basically two or more tables, that joining can be done in different ways. So depending on that, there are different kinds of join. Fine. So in our curriculum, we have to do only two kinds. One is called equi-join, okay, and another is called natural join. These two are there in your syllabus. And there is one more which is also kind of a join, but it doesn't use basically the word or the clause join. It happens normally. Also that particular thing which I am talking about, which happens without the using of the keyword join, that also I think I told you in class 11, that is called Cartesian product. Okay, we will discuss all of them one by one. First of all, let us see what is equi-join. Equi-join you have already done. Fine. Here also, in equi-join also, we do not use the word join. Right? Then how do we join two tables? Now you can see there are two tables here. The other day when I was explaining you the alias and to get basically a kind of query mixing up two tables or more than two tables, this I discussed with you earlier. So that is basically the case of equi-join, what you have done that day. I am just repeating once again. Supposing there are two tables here, one is item, another is customer. So you can make out here the connecting point is between the two tables are IT-ID. Fine. So this IT-ID, the column name I made purposely, I wrote it similar, but it could be different also in case of equi-join. Okay. In case of equi-join, these two names could be different also, that we have seen. So basically equi-join means when you are trying to find similarity between the two rows, from two different tables, and you are computing basically a query on the basis of a condition where equal to sign is used. What I mean to say, that if I tell you list, you just generate a consolidated display of all the items, item code, price, where this item code, okay, or item ID and here the item ID are matching. This kind of cases we have done, we know, so we can easily do it. For example, I told you to display all the fields or maybe selected fields. So I can write a query here like this, which we have done in connection with LIS the other day. I wrote select IT ID. I wrote price. Fine. Say I wrote IT name first. I wrote IT name. I wanted to display IT ID. I wanted to display price. I wanted to display say from this table only then say I want to display customer name and I want to display city. Okay, you have done these kind of things from, say I wrote item, comma, customer. Okay. Now here I told you to make it a shortcut. What you can do is you can write item I, customer C. That is why I told you to, how I told you to write it. And here you have to give the condition where I dot IT ID equal to C dot IT ID, because I took the same thing. This command is slightly wrong. Why it is slightly wrong? Because IT ID is the common field in both of them. So when you are writing your IT ID, the system will get confused here that which IT ID you are talking about. Are you talking about this IT ID or you are talking about this IT ID? Which IT ID did you mean to say? So in this particular case, since the column names are exactly similar, if they were not similar, then this problem wouldn't have happened, because then whichever name we wrote, that column it would have meant. But since here the names are same, I need to write here. I'm just putting an arrow and writing here. We need to write here, say I want to take this particular IT ID. I mean to say this IT ID. Okay. So what you have to do is, or maybe say I meant to say this particular IT ID, which will make sense. Okay. So I wrote customer dot IT ID. This is a very, very important point. Remember, if you have two fields having the same name, then there will be this particular thing is called an ambiguous situation, confusing situation. So this ambiguity is coming because of the fact that these two column names are same. So that is why I wrote very clearly, I made to say customer ID. So customer wise, I will basically go for a display and the respective items will come. So you can easily make out here 101, this item ID will come. Now look at this here, 101, 101, 103. These three items are basically there. So if I am looking for a match between these two, customer ID, customer IT ID and item ID, so obviously there will be no match found for 102 because 102 was not there. So when a consolidated statement will be displayed, obviously this record, pencil 102, that I will not get to see anywhere. Okay, so this is basically, you are familiar with this, so, but I wanted to write this once again to let you know that this is called basically equijoin. Why it is called equijoin? Because you have used in the condition one equality operator. Okay, you have used one equality operator to mean that wherever this column value and this column value are equal. So if you use an equality operator in the condition to generate display from two tables, it could be more than two tables also, I will show you one example of that, then we can call it equijoin. And obviously you can make out, I did not use the clause join anywhere. Basically when we say the word join, it is a clause and it is a concept at the same time. So here you can say it is a concept join. I am joining, I have used the concept of join, but I did not use the clause join, right? Now imagine we have another table, fine. What is that another table? Say the table is say name is say I grade. It basically talks about say the grades of various items. Fine. So here also we have one connecting point IP ID which has to be there. Okay. And grade. Fine. So here say we have only 101 grade equal to A. 102 is not there, 103 is also not there, 104B, 105C, like this is there. Now if I join these three tables by writing, select, say I wrote here very clearly that customer dot IT. I told you the reason because otherwise ambiguity will come. Customer dot IT I wrote. Then I will put customer name. Customer name is only in customer table, so confusion will not be there. Okay, I wanted I name is also a property of item, so no confusion will come. Price. Okay, I don't have space, so I'm writing in a different line. And from here I wanted to take only grade. From now you can write three names because you have involved three tables here. So you can write customer C, item I grade G. Say I name it as G. This is my I and this is the G. These three alias I used. Now the condition, sorry, no semicolon, I didn't finish it. The condition will be where I need to say that this ID, this ID and this ID should match. So we can write where customer will C dot IT ID is equal to your I dot IT ID That means where ITID of customer column is matching with ITID of item column, and where C.ITID is matching with G.ITID. G.ITID is the ITID from grade column. So this is how basically we can involve three different tables also. But since we have used once again equality operator in the condition term, that's why it is called equi-join. Okay, technically this particular concept is called equi-join. There is another kind of join which I am going to tell you now, is called natural join. Okay. Now the query which I wrote just now, here if I took, instead of taking the selected fields, if I could take select star from customer item ITID, where conditions. Okay, I am just repeating again. If I could write select, I did not select any field, I just wrote all the fields, so I meant star. Select star from customer item I grade. I meant you generate a consolidated report taking all the columns from all three tables. In that case, what would have happened? And obviously with where ITID customer.ITID equal to item.ITID and customer.ITID equal to igrade.ITID. That condition term I wrote at the end. In that case, what would have happened? In that case, we would have seen this ITID, since ITID column is found in all three tables, it would have displayed 3 times in my result query. 3 times it would have come. Fine. But the query which I am going to talk about now, that is the natural join, there it will not happen. Fine. I will show you that in the next video.